Stop! You have been eating lychees the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, your strategic guide to the high-performance chemistry hidden in nature's most exotic treasures. Most people see the lychee as just a sweet, floral-scented treat or a canned dessert in a Chinese restaurant, but by eating them on an empty stomach or ignoring their specific thermal properties, you are neutralizing the most potent blood-circulating and skin-plumping medicine in the tropical world. To understand the true power of the lychee, we have to look back at its royal history in southern China. For over 2,000 years, it was considered a fruit of passion and longevity, so prized that emperors would send messengers on horseback thousands of miles just to deliver fresh clusters to the imperial court. This isn't just a fruit, it is a solar-powered chemical factory designed to reinforce your body's internal structures and ignite your metabolic fire. When we dive into the nutritional matrix of a lychee, the density of its biological tools is staggering. While everyone knows it's an explosion of vitamin C, containing more per serving than an orange, the real secret lies in a unique group of polyphenols called oligonol. This is a short-chain polyphenol that has been scientifically shown to improve peripheral circulation and reduce visceral fat. Furthermore, lychees are a massive source of copper and potassium, which are critical for red blood cell production and maintaining heart rhythm. But the standout feature is the specific balance of proanthocyanidins, which act as a high-tech shield for your skin's collagen. When you eat a lychee correctly, you aren't just getting a sugar boost, you are providing your body with a targeted chemical signal to sharpen your microcirculation and clear your complexion. The health benefits of this crimson jewel are especially profound for your skin elasticity and your cardiovascular system. The oligonol in lychees works as an internal vascular tonic, helping to relax your blood vessels and improve blood flow to the skin's surface, resulting in a natural lit-from-within glow. For your heart, the potassium and vitamin C work in perfect harmony to manage blood pressure and protect your arteries from oxidative stress. Moreover, the unique enzymes in lychees have been linked to a reduction in post-exercise inflammation and improved recovery times. It is a complete internal rejuvenation system wrapped in a rough pink shell that keeps your body's internal systems running with peak precision. However, the reason I told you that you were eating it wrong is due to the empty stomach error and the heat trap. This is critical. Lychees contain a natural toxin called MCPG, methylene cyclopropylglycine. If you eat large amounts of lychees on an empty stomach, especially if you are undernourished, this compound can cause a sudden, dangerous drop in blood sugar, hypoglycemia. To eat a lychee right, you must always consume them after a meal or paired with a source of complex carbohydrates. Furthermore, in traditional Eastern medicine, lychees are considered a hot fruit. Eating too many at once can cause internal heat, leading to sore throats or mouth ulcers. To get the maximum immortality benefit, you must limit your intake to 7 to 10 fruits per day and never consume the canned version, which is stripped of its living enzymes and loaded with inflammatory refined sugar. Of course, even a DNA-protecting superfood like the lychee requires some strategy. Because lychees are highly effective at moving the blood, those on blood-thinning medications should consult with their physician. Additionally, because they are often treated with sulfur dioxide to keep their shells pink during transport, you must wash the outer shell thoroughly before peeling to ensure you don't transfer chemical residues to the translucent flesh. Most importantly, if you have a history of low blood sugar, always respect the potency of this fruit and pair it with a handful of protein-rich nuts. Selecting a superior nutrient-dense lychee is a game of texture and aroma. Avoid lychees that are brown, cracked, or dry shells. These are signs that the fruit's vitamin C has already oxidized and the living water inside has evaporated. Look for a lychee that is heavy for its size with a vibrant pink or red shell. Give the shell a gentle squeeze. It should feel firm with a slight spring back. The ultimate secret is the scent test. A high-potency lychee will emit an intense rosy and tropical perfume through its shell. If it doesn't smell like a flower, it won't heal like one either. Once you have your perfect lychees, storage is a balance of humidity. Lychees lose their color and nutrients quickly if left out. Keep them in a perforated plastic bag in the refrigerator to maintain their signature crunch and protect the oligonol. They are best consumed within 3 to 5 days. If you find your lychees starting to darken, immediately peel them and freeze the flesh. This locks in the vitamin C and makes them a perfect base for a skin-protecting summer smoothie. By choosing the most fragrant fruit and eating it after a meal, you are turning a simple tropical snack into a powerful cornerstone of your health strategy. Stop treating the lychee as just a dessert and start treating it as the circulation and skin-protecting miracle it truly is. Your heart, your skin, and your metabolism will thank you.